Welcome, fellow gamers! If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of gaming PC specs and wondering if your latest quest is worth the hassle of building your own rig, fear not. We've got you covered with the best pre-built gaming PCs that will have you slaying dragons and conquering galaxies in no time. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to glorious lag-free gameplay, all without the risk of accidentally turning yourself into a tech zombie while assembling your dream machine. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. STGAubron Gaming PC, our pick for best budget pre-built gaming PC. If you're in the market for a gaming rig that won't drain your wallet faster than a loot box, the STGAubron Gaming PC is your new best friend. This budget-friendly powerhouse runs on Windows 10 Home and houses an Intel Core i7 processor, ready to turbocharge your gaming experience with speeds hitting 3.4 GHz. Say goodbye to lag and hello to adrenaline. Equipped with a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card, this machine isn't just for gaming, it's a multitasking champ. Whether you're diving into Fortnite, strategizing in Call of Duty Warzone, or flexing your skills in Elden Ring, you can expect smooth gameplay with 60+ frames per second. It doesn't stop there, it's also built for video editing, streaming, and even managing your small business empire. With a generous 16GB of memory and a 512GB solid-state drive, you'll have plenty of space to store all your games and then some. And let's face it, what gamer doesn't need a reliable system for those late-night battle sessions or making your friends jealous with your epic streaming setup? The STGAubron isn't just a gaming PC, it's a robust companion for all your digital adventures. So gear up for some epic gaming, seamless multitasking, and a potential boost to your Twitch fame, all without breaking the bank. Your next gaming adventure awaits. Number 4. Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming PC. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience, the Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming PC is here to swoop in like your digital superhero. Running on Windows 11 Home, this powerhouse is equipped with a Core i7 CPU chugging along at a slick 2.1 GHz, backed by a whopping 16GB of RAM. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gaming sessions. Let's talk graphics. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, you're not just playing games, you're diving headfirst into rich, immersive worlds that'll have your jaw on the floor. And don't worry about the heat. This beauty sports an efficient airflow design that keeps your rig cool and quiet, making every epic moment a breeze. The 12-phase voltage regulation means you can marathon your gaming sessions without breaking a sweat, thanks to powerful, intelligently managed energy flow. Plus, the new Legend 3 design is so sleek that it'll earn the envy of all your friends, up to 40% smaller, 20% quieter, and 7% cooler than its predecessor. And with the revamped Alienware Command Center software, you can customize your gaming settings like a pro, so buckle up, because the R16 isn't just a gaming PC, it's an invitation to a whole new realm of adventure. Are you ready to claim your throne? Still searching for the perfect pre-built gaming PC? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to epic levels, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC is your golden ticket to virtual domination. We're talking about an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F powerhouse clocking in at a lightning-fast 4.1 GHz with 8 cores that practically purrs when it gets into the zone. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM, you'll never have to worry about your games lagging while you're executing that perfect combo. And for your storage needs, a whopping 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD means you can load your favorite titles faster than you can say level up. Let's not forget about those stunning graphics. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, every pixel will come alive. Whether you're navigating mystical realms or engaging in epic showdowns, you'll enjoy jaw-dropping visuals thanks to 8 GB of dedicated graphics memory. Plus, hook up your setup with a single HDMI and dual DisplayPort, and you'll have the flexibility to create your own gaming kingdom. And of course, it all runs on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, ensuring you've got the latest and greatest software to keep you ahead of the curve. So gear up, fellow gamer. This isn't just a gaming PC, it's an invitation to dominate every quest and conquer new worlds. When you sit down, you're not just playing, you're entering a realm where you make the rules. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Number 2. iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh Gaming PC. If you're on the hunt for a gaming rig that won't just meet your needs but blow your expectations out of the water, then the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh Gaming PC is your new best friend. You know the kind. AMD Ryzen 7 9700X supercharging your gameplay at a blistering 3.8 GHz. That's right, no more lagging behind in those epic battles. With a jaw-dropping 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT 16 GB graphics card, prepare for visuals so stunning even your cat might be impressed. Whether you're embarking on a grand adventure in the latest game or multitasking like a pro for work and play, this baby's got your back. And let's talk storage. 1TB NVMe SSD means you won't be playing the "Where's my space?" game anymore. Your games, files, and memes all at your fingertips. Plus, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and Wi-Fi ready, you're not just entering the game, you're diving headfirst into sheer awesomeness. Designed as a sleek tower, it's not just a powerhouse, it's a statement piece in your gaming lair. So gear up, level up, and welcome the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh into your world, where every gaming session is an adventure waiting to happen. Let's unleash some serious fun. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, our pick for best pre-built gaming PC overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate pre-built gaming powerhouse, look no further than the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, your ticket to gaming glory. Sporting the Intel Core i5-13400EF with a zippy 2.5 GHz speed and a dynamic duo of 6+4 cores, this rig is ready to tackle your wildest gaming adventures without breaking a sweat. With 16 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM, it ensures you won't just be playing the latest titles, you'll be owning them. And when we say storage, we mean serious space. With a whopping 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, you'll have room for a small library of games, not to mention all those epic screenshots and game clips begging for a home. Running on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, you'll benefit from the latest and greatest in gaming tech, so you can dive straight into your favorite virtual realms. Plus, with a dedicated graphics card, your visuals will be as stunning as that new game release you've been eyeing. The sleek design of the computer tower screams style while packing a serious punch, making your gaming setup the envy of your friends. So get ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Whether you're strategizing your next move or conquering epic quests, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is not just a machine. It's your new best ally in the gaming universe. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best pre-built gaming PCs. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which pre-built gaming PC you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.